In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper way to change your oil in your rear differential. In this step, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure for locating your fill plug and removing it. Slide right underneath here. There are two locations for the fill plug on your differential cover. This one has one located up front. I'll get into that here in a second. The other location will be right here, right through the differential cover casing part. It could be a screw-in or it'll be a rubber push-in type of plug. This one doesn't have one. This one has the more difficult style, which is up front. I'm going to go ahead and roll up. I'm going to show you the tool required for removing all of them. What you use is just the end of a 3/8 ratchet. Every screw-in type plug is removed with one of these. I'm going to go ahead and remove it and show it to you. It's located on this side right up top. All right, I have my plug extracted. I'm going to roll out so you can get a little better look at it. This is the plug. Right there, as you can see, it takes a square driver and your 3/8 ratchet, extension or head, fits exactly in it. That is the proper way to locate your fill plug and remove it.